this is your sign to try fun lip combo for Halloween, even if you've been shying away from lip makeup, because this is an easy last minute Halloween lip combo, which even has 2 easier versions that I will show you as we go. Let's start this lip tutorial with a purple liquid lipstick. This is Cursed Cosmetics Necromancer lipstick. You can use my code THEMIRROR for this one to get a discount, and you put it all over your top lip. Take your time, and this lipstick will also preferably require 2 layers to be absolutely opaque. Then try to dry it down without closing your mouth so that the purple lipstick does not transfer to the lower lip, which is where you're going to apply the orange lipstick. This one is Beauty Moon Cosmetics Lip Icon, and once again try to dry your lipstick without closing your mouth. If you're short on time, this in itself is already a Halloween lip combo, and I think you will agree it was super easy. But if you want to spice it up just a little bit, let's do the easiest lip art ever, and don't be afraid of the word art, it's just a couple of strokes, okay? So promise me that you will watch it and think about giving it a try. Deal? You will see that this makeup tutorial is absolutely suitable for beginners. Take a brush with long bristles. You can get it from any artist store. Drench it thoroughly in liquid lipstick so that all the bristles are covered, and draw kind of like a T where the top part is following your Cupid's bow, and then there's also the vertical part, and just round this joint slightly. Now get back to the purple lipstick. These are the same lipsticks that you've used to paint the lips, and do the same for your lower lip. Paint a reversed T and around the angles a little bit. This way it looks more cohesive with the lip shape. With a flat angled brush and foundation, correct any imperfections that you might have had. Wow, this lip combo is definitely already artistic and unique, but if you get another minute or 2 and you want to be extra for Halloween, you can grab a loose pigment and a brush like this. No need for a glitter primer. You don't want to cover up your lip art, you just want to give it a little bit of sparkle. You will be such a star with this makeup. This is Kylie Cosmetics Abyssal Loose Pigment. Dip your brush into it. You can use my code THEMIRRORBEAUTY for this one too. Knock off the excess so that you don't get too much fallout. Start tapping it into your lips. As you can see, we are getting really good sparkle without covering up the design. Scattered sparkle across your lip makeup like a starry night. If you want to make it a little more intense, just add a second layer. Kylie Cosmetics Abyssal also shifts to green, which adds this lip combo an even more Halloween vibe. Let me know which of the 3 options you will choose. I think this one is giving Halloween glam makeup in the best way possible. I think it looks especially cool if you pair it with matching eye makeup, but also by itself. And if you want more Halloween tutorials, whether it's lip makeup or full face makeup or eye makeup, you can find them right in this playlist. I'll meet you there. Bye!